how to buy USDT token on Trust Wallet. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Trust Wallet and make sure you are logged into a specific account. So first of all, what you guys need to have here into your assets is the Tether token. So you can see I have this token right here. But if you don't see this token, then what you want to do is go back to your wallet and then click on Add Tokens. In the source bar, you need to search for USDT and then enable this option Tether. Once you have enabled, it will shown right here in the token section. Now head over to Tether. Inside this page, you'll see the option where it says Buy Tether. Tap on Buy Tether. Enter the amount that you want to buy and then tap on Next. Right now you can see that the Binance is connected. So these are like the providers that we use for. So if you are connected with Binance, you can get a little more of USDT. Now if you go back and click on Binance Connect, it will lead you to this page. So right here you can see I can buy 50. But the last thing you want to do from this provider is simply log into your Binance account and then click on Done. Well, you can also use other providers instead of Binance. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to buy USDT on Trust Wallet. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.